Tell you what, guys, sometimes I let it get way too tall out here at the patina pasture. It has been raining and then only sunny for like a day or two. Turns out that's good for growing, but not for getting out here and getting mowing. Check this out. The poor Corvairs are totally buried. The poor old Dodge is getting buried in the weeds too. Even the old 64 still sitting back here. Does have the full service bed though. Even comes with an entertainment center. Actually, 2 entertainment centers. Fancy. Not perfect, but a whole lot better.